the world's leading airlines are already working with us in partnership to define the future together.
We're already looking at the next steps of development with the FLYdocs team, which for us is great interest in the Lifecycle Asset Management module. This will enable airlines to predict issues and plan for the outcomes way in advance of the redelivery process.
We are working with them to have an automated interface between our maintenance management system and the FLYdocs platform. This will allow us to automatically build our records. In the future, we are looking to have the platform in a redelivery ready state, which will mean a huge cost saving to our business.
The future of FLYdocs is exciting because we're investing into blockchain. And what we will see in a few years' time is that we use distributed ledgers across the cloud to automatically validate and consolidate records, eliminating any manual interaction.